Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn Bhujangasana, also called as Cobra Pose. This asana is a backward bend chest opening asana. It is also a beginner asana. A beginner level student can practice this asana. If you see anatomically, when we perform this asana, our hands, our shoulder, our lungs, our chest gets affected positively. And also the belly, the pelvic region, and also the buttocks gets affected. Not only that, the spine, the lower back also gets affected because of this. If we see the benefits of this asana is very good for people who have asthma. Also, people who suffers from sciatica, it is also one of the best asana for it. Friends, if you have fatigue, if you have tiredness, if there is lack of energy, this asana will bring energy and remove the fatigue inside the body. Also, when you perform this asana, it can help to increase the digestive fire, or it increases the digestion. So this asana is also very good for digestive system. When you do this asana, it stretches the spine and also strengthens the chest and the shoulders along with the abdomen region. Friends, when you do this asana, the buttocks can become firm and also it will increase zeal and energy inside the body. Now those who have headache problem, they should avoid this. Those who have hurted their back or those who have injured their back, they should also avoid this. Those who have carpal tunnel syndrome, problem of the wrist, they will also avoid this particular practice. And during pregnancy, this practice is also avoided. If you are having headache, don't practice this at that point of time. Just relax yourself. Let us come into the practice now. This practice is done in a prone position, lying on the abdomen. So, we will lie down on the abdomen. Feet together, hands by the side of the body, forehead on the ground. This can be the starting position and shoulders are relaxed. Then you bring the chin forward and bring both the hands by the side of the chest. Now when you bring the palms by the side of the chest, your thumb should get aligned with your nipple line. Don't bring the palms too much forward, then the shoulders will drop. Don't bring the palm too much behind because then it will bring a lot of strain in the upper middle back region. So the hand should come, the palm should come by the side of the chest and fingers are nicely placed, palms nicely placed on the floor, the thumb aligned with the nipple. Then also stretch your legs so that the pelvic region can come nicely down on the floor and the lower back can get lengthened so that there is less compression on the lower back. After that, what you do, you start lifting from the chin. You lift from the chin up, from the throat up, from the chest up, and then as you go up, you don't use your hands to come up. You let the palms have minimum weight. If you want to lift the palms off the floor, still you should be able to sustain and hold the position. Very important point is, don't let the chin go too high. Then there is a lot of compression in the neck. We don't want that. Let the neck be tall, let the upper back and the head get aligned. It's okay if the chin doesn't go too high. What is more important in this asana is to open the chest and the shoulder region so that there is nice stretch in the spine and we can increase our breathing capacity through this asana. Let's do it now. Legs are nice and tall, lengthened, pelvis and the lower back, palms by the side of the chest, elbows in. A lot of time when the elbow starts dropping, it will turn the shoulders, rotate internally. Then the chest will not open. So when you press the elbows in, actually your shoulders are internally rotated. Let's do this. Chin up, chest up, elbows closer to the body and just remain here. Feel that you are lengthening the spine and opening the chest. No matter if you only reach here, that is fine. We don't want to go all the way up by using the hands. We are using minimum weight of the palms. Hold here for a few breaths. You can hold for about 3 breaths in the beginning, and as you keep on repeating the practice, you can reach to also about 5 breaths to 7 breaths. Breathe gently and slowly and feel the impact of the breath reaching towards the abdomen and the lower back. When you want to come down, bring the chest down, bring the throat down, then bring the chin down and then the forehead down. Then bring the hands by the side of the body, turn your face on one side and relax for a while. After every asana that you do, you will relax for some time so that the strain which has come while performing the asana can get released. Also, the muscles which were used, they can come to the state of rest, and the breathing which is sometimes becomes heavier, that can also settle down. Friends, Bhujangasana can help us to prepare for all the backward bend asanas. In fact, this is the primary asana which will help the spine to open nicely, but also taking care of those persons who are very new into the practice. Friends, if you like our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get alerts of our new videos. If you have any comments, please do write about it. We will go through it. And see you soon. Namaste.